So, hello and welcome students to our Scratch video series. So today we are going to talk about shapes and polygons. Okay. So in the previous classes you might have learned about drawing or animating a sprite, moving the sprite, okay, and few basics about algorithms and other stuff. So today we are going to talk about shapes and polygons. All right. So here we have three steps to do this activity perfectly: introduction, activity, and then conclusion. What is this all about? Basically, we want to explore the possibilities that are there in Scratch, and today we are going to utilize a specific extension known as the pen extension. Now you may ask what an extension is. Yes, so we will learn about them in the next upcoming slides. Okay, and you know about loops. Yes, we can use loops as well to iterate a statement. Iterate means repeat a statement again and again. So we just have to use 3-4 simple blocks. That's all we want to do, and we can create polygons, shapes, squares, rectangles using our animated characters. It is very easy. Let me show you how. So these are the shapes. I think you must be knowing about what shapes are. So there are different types of shapes like squares, rectangle, triangles, polygons. Okay, so we are going to draw some of these shapes today. For your referral, these are the basic polygons. The smallest polygon is the triangle because it has 3 sides. Then we go to 4 sides, quadrilateral, 5 sides, pentagon. Then as the sides keep on increasing, the name changes and the side increases as well. Then we have 6 sides: hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay, and then if you are wondering what a polygon with 12 sides would be called, it is called dodecagon. Okay, and similarly we have names for every type of polygon: 20 sides, 50 sides, 100 sides. So let us stick to the basics for now. So when you go to the Scratch extension, you can find the pen extension here. Okay, so let us not only go through the PPT, let us do the practical by ourselves and let us see let us see what we can do. Okay, so I have switched to here and we have our cat. Okay, so let us name our cat Billu the cat. So Billu the cat is here and we want to draw a square with the help of Billu. So what should we do? So first of all, let us make a simple sprite has been made, and see, in my Scratch the pen extension is already added because I was working previously and I have added that extension. But for you to add an extension, it is very simple. Look down on the left corner of the screen, left bottom corner. You can see this button. It says add extension. Okay then. And here you can say pen. Now it has been added. Okay. And now let us begin a simple loop. So what do you remember? Firstly, what we say when clicked. Okay. So we go to events and then when clicked. What? When the green flag is clicked. And now I want my pen to be down on the screen. See, initially the pen is in the sky, or should I say the pen is in the air. Okay, so you can't draw anything with your pen up. When you write something, you have to put your pencil down or your pen down. In a similar manner, if you want to draw something here, you have to put your pen down. So here is an option called pen down. We click it here and then connect the block. Now I want to repeat a statement. For example, I want to make a square. Okay, so how do we make a square? It is very simple. You just have to move 100 steps or 200 steps or 300 steps, whatever be the length of your square, and then take a right turn or a left turn by 90°. Yes, and you have to repeat that statement 4 times. Just imagine. Okay, if you want to imagine, you can either draw it on your diaries or your paper or pen, whatever you have, or you can imagine by yourself that walk 300 steps, take a 90° right turn. then walk straight again, then 90, then walk straight again, then 90, then walk straight again, and then 90. If you repeat the statement walk straight and turn 90 by 4 times, if you repeat these two statements 4 times, then you will be able to make a square. So we are going to use the same technique, and we want to keep it very simple. So I use the repeat statement. And how many times do you want your statement to be repeated? 4 times exactly. And now lastly, what I want to do, I want to write the two instructions that I just said. So we go into motion and write the two instructions. First of all, I have to move. Suppose I take 150 steps. Yes, 150 steps. And now I want to take a 90-degree right turn. So this is a, you can even take a 90-degree left turn, but it should be equal. So I write 90 here. And now let us see if a sprite is working. Yes, done. Yes, exactly. See, it is happening so fast that you cannot see it in real time, but you can easily imagine that your Billu the cat is walking straight and taking 90 4 times. Yes. Okay. So this is how we make simple figures using our technique. Okay. And now this is all the steps. Okay. Yes, I've already explained these steps. And if you want to, like, formula to draw any polygon is you have to, the angle that it has to make is 360, because what a circle is 360 degrees. And now you want to divide a circle into, suppose, say 10 sides. Okay, so you have to divide 360 by 10, it makes 36 degrees. Okay, so I don't have to do anything, I just have to do one thing. Okay, for example, I want to draw a square. I've already showed you. Yes, what would be the angle to draw a pentagon? Pentagon is how many sides? If you look back, you can see a pentagon is 5 sides. And what was the formula? 360 divided by number of sides. So what is 360 divided by 5? It is 72. So the correct answer would be 72. Okay, so let us do another assessment. And I want to say I want to draw a polygon. Yes, suppose a 10-sided polygon. So how many times does Billu have to repeat these steps? 10 times, obviously, because it is a 10-sided polygon. So I write 10 here. And now by how many degrees should our Billu turn? So 360 divided by 10, because I'm making a polygon of 10 sides. That is also called a decagon. So 360 divided by 10 is 36. Yes. So I click here and write 36. Now let us see what is happening. Okay. Let us see the full screen. Okay, so it is very big right now. I want to make it a little smaller. Yes, the sides should be a bit smaller. It is moving too much. Suppose, say, my sides are a little smaller, 20 steps. Okay, yeah. So let us do this exercise again. And now what is the result? Yes, we can almost see that it is making a decagon. Okay, yes, you can see on the upper half. But let me bring it a little down. It is way higher right now. Suppose, say, I bring it to say 100. And now let me try. Yes, done. Let me bring it a little more downwards so that all of you can see it. Suppose, say, my y-axis is 50 degrees, 50 units only. Now let us see what it is making. Yes, it is making a decagon, and you can see again. Yes, you can see the sides. Exactly. Yes, these are the 10 sides. So you can make any polygon that you want by using this technique. Okay, so I hope you understood today's video. It was helpful for you, and I'm sure this was helpful, and if you learn something new every day, you're sure going to be successful. Yes. Alright, so just keep moving forward and learn something new every day. So thank you so much for watching. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing us. Thank you.